This is Mello, the kitty. This is me, the FNAF king.
Bubba King, over here.
Fine, Bubba King next. Little sis. Yeah, look at the camera. Wait, little sis, I need you to bring your head in closer, okay? Bring your head in closer this way to Bubba. Bubba, bring your head closer to us, okay? Okay. Oh, well. Just get closer to Bella then. You know, not dog Bella, but little sis. So, little sis, Bubba. Do y'all remember when Cartoon Cat was outside the window? Do you think he's still out there? You do? Wanna look? Little sis, Bubba, let's look over here, okay? Do you see Cartoon Cat?
Yeah, don't.
You don't see him?
It's right in the woods.
It's right in the woods.
Let me tell you something. Last time when we weren't recording. Last time when we weren't recording, we found Slenderman.
When was that?
Maybe it was like February or January.
Oh, you mean on the game?
No. Real life.
I don't remember that.
It's probably February.
Go right in the woods.
Cartoon Cat's right in the woods.
Yes.
CC's in the woods.
Yeah.
Just remember when I say
They
CC,
got
that.
me from my fingernail. See?
Yep. Little sis and Bubba King.
Yeah.
Just remember when I say CC, like even in the video
It means
intro.
Cartoon Cat.
Yeah. I'm not talking about CC's pizza. So you say, hold on. You say that he's out there? Bubba King. Shall we go outside and look? Okay. Put it facing me, okay?
I can't really see. It's going.
Hey, kids, put on your happiest faces because the Banana Split Show is about to begin.